Hello friends, welcome to tutorials point. In this tutorial we will discuss about the compose phase in SAP Lumira. So what is the use of the compose phase in SAP Lumira? It is used to create the stories based on the charts and the visualizations which we have created in the visualize tab. So we can add the text, we can add the visualizations, we can add the pictures, input controls, all the different things in our stories using the compose tab. Let's see in the tool how we can use it. So these are the different visualizations which we have created under the visualization tab. So we have these two visualizations, which is sales revenue by city and the gross margin by country. Now if I go to the compose tab here, so in the compose tab we have on the left hand side we have the different types of content that we can add to the story page. So we can select any item and drag it to the section on the story page. So first of all we have the dataset selector. So dataset selector is nothing but it will tell me which data I want to show. So this is my text.csv. So if I want any other data set to be used, I can select it from here. After that we have the story selector. So from this drop down I can see all the different stories which are available in this document. I can use the story selector to select any particular story. After that if I want to do the preview of it, I can do it. Then if I want to delete it, then I can delete the current story. If I want to create the new story, if I want to undo or redo. Now let's see how we can create the stories in SAP Lumira. So when we create any new story, let's say if I click on the new story, so here it will ask for the name. Let's say if I give the name as demo_1. After that I have to add the pages to that story. So it's like similar to the slideshow we have in the presentation. So I can add either the blank template, I can add the standard, I can add the overview, detailed or the slideshow. Let's say if I add the blank template for now, I'll click on create. Now I can see that I am at the page 1 of 1. In this I can add as many visualizations I can want. Let's say if I want to add the sales revenue by city here, I will simply drag it and after that I can adjust the size of it as per my page size. Now after that if I want to add pages to this story, I can simply click on add page and now I can see that again I have to select the page template. Once done, I am at the page 2 of 2. Here again I can select the second visualization, which is gross margin by country, and again I have to set up the size of it as per my page size. After that, once I have done that, here with the visualizations I can also add the text. Let's say if I add one more page and after that on this page I want to add the text. I want to add a title on this page. I can add this and I can change the text of it. So let's say I want to print thank you. Similarly, if I want to insert any pictures, if I want to put any input controls or the pictograms or the shapes, I can do all of them here. So now I have 3 pages in my story. I want to preview how does they look like. I will go to this preview and I can see here how my story will look like. So this is sales revenue by city. I go to the next page and here it is gross margin by country. And then we have the text thank you. So this is how my story looks like. So it's like similar to the presentation we create in the Microsoft Office, with the difference that now we have the live data in the presentation. So we can use it in the different purpose, and similarly I can have multiple stories in the same document. Like here I have demo and I have demo_1. So you can create the multiple stories inside the single document. You can save it with the data set and you can share it with others. So this is how you can use the compose tab in SAP Lumira to create the stories of your own. So in this tutorial we have seen how to use the compose tab in SAP Lumira. Thank you.